Greg, it's great to see you again. We were already meeting in Berlin, in London, when we were on the Finovate in Europe. We were actually looking forward to meet you in person in New York, but due to the pandemic, Finovate is affected, and so are millions of businesses. And what we are actually doing with Payever is we are helping banks and insurance companies and their business customers to actually sell more online and at the point of sale. In Europe, as you already know, we are in 7 countries. We are cooperating with the largest bank in Europe, which is Santander and Swedbank. We are also cooperating with insurance companies and financial institutions like, for instance, PayPal and Stripe. And what we are actually doing is we are taking the user experience to a new level. So we are taking, for instance, a checkout flow, inputting lending, inputting financing, credit cards, whatever the financial institution has as a product. And then we are ensuring at online and at the point of sale that over 5,000 active merchants are getting the best possible experience so that the conversion is the highest. Our clients are obviously from the 5,000, a lot of small, medium-sized businesses and do-it-yourself stores. But we also have the largest electronic market in Europe, which is MediaMarkt. It's like Best Buy in the US. And we also have, for instance, the largest retailer in the Nordics, which is Erkshop. And in the United States, obviously famous for the great car, Ford Motors, who are cooperating with us.
So Archer, a quick question for you. Great to see you as well, by the way, and happy to have you back on the virtual stage here. I know you've got 2 kind of different sides of this. I'd like to start by getting into the value proposition from the business standpoint. Can you start there for us?
Great. Then let me show you directly the platform from the business point of view. And I'm heading over to my PC that I have right here. So you can see here the branded login screen. What is why I say branded is really important, because what and that's why we also present on the Finovate, is we want that the banks and insurance partners are actually offering more than just their financial products, but the whole commerce suite that we are offering, all branded by themselves, so that the customer, the business customer, is staying in the world of the banks and insurance companies and understands that they provide the value. So for instance, I am now a business owner and I am logging into the platform, and you can see from the branded login that the bank or insurance company provides. I am coming to the dashboard. This is my business dashboard. So I'm a business owner and I am coming to this branded dashboard from the bank or insurance company. Obviously, I can change it. I can label it with my own business, but still, it's a great way to understand that the bank or insurance company is actually helping me to sell more online and at the point of sale. So let's say I'm a business who wants to have an online shop. I'm clicking, as you can see, the online shop icon. It's the same as on your phone, so people don't need a tutorial or first to learn how they can use the platform, but it's very much straightforward. And as you can see, you have directly an online shop out of the box. Within minutes, you can select, no matter from which industry you are, from thousands of themes, no matter if automotive, fashion, furniture. It's practically anything you need in order to run an online business. And the best part is you don't need to be an IT expert. You don't need to host. You don't have expensive costs. You just click anything that you want and just make it yours. It's very much straightforward, and it's something that people actually enjoy very much in Europe. The next part, what I want to show is, for instance, the point of sale. So I'm having an online shop now. Now I would like also to sell more in my local shop. So you are just clicking on the point of sale application, and what you get is 2 things. Like first, a self terminal. So that is really great. You can literally take it, and similarly as in the McDonald's store, you can wait in the queue, or you take your phone and you are financing directly with your phone at the point of sale and don't even need to use any hardware. It comes out of the box. You can also use it as a full terminal inside a full point of sale register inside your whole business. And it's also not just coming on web, but natively with an iOS and Android app. I have to run fast through the apps because we have so many and we just have 10 minutes. So the next app I want to show is the Transactions app. This is where everything comes together. So all your financial data in one single place, doesn't matter which channel. You can see I have transactions from, for instance, a shop. I have transactions from point of sale. I have transactions by sending someone an SMS and he pays with it. I can get detailed reporting. I do have all the filter options needed, and it's just a great and simple way to actually like oversee your whole business. And in addition, you can also like manage your entire inventory. So for instance, you just click the Payever products app and you can guess it. Well, you have all your inventory in one single place and can distribute it to mail or ads or your shop, point of sale, and so on.
Excellent. That's really helpful. So now I know there's another component to this too. There's also a strong value proposition for the banks who engage with this as well. Can you outline that a little bit for us too?
That's why we are here at Finovate. So we try to find now, after we are cooperating already in Europe, now partners inside the United States who are actually like interested to have two kinds of value propositions. First, there's the checkout app. I want to show it right now. The checkout app is a full checkout process that the merchants use across all channels. Doesn't matter if point of sale or online, and you have a lot of options. You can the merchant can brand it. As you can see, you can also brand it by the bank. And what you can do is you can copy and pay by link, which is a really great feature. It is so simple. You just create a link, you send it, you can pre-fill data, and then pay it. And what is also great, and I shortly want to show it, you can, for instance, type in $500. You can write in a reference, and then you just click pre-filled QR code. And then what you can do, and this is, I think, really a great option, is similarly as in China, you can then just take your phone and just scan it, and then you can pay with it. The good news is you can directly pay on your phone, and especially during COVID, you can finance, without any direct contact, which is fantastic. And the last application I want to show is the Connect app, because for the banks, it's really, really important to have a proper onboarding and actually distribute directly to the businesses in the most simple way, all products that they have. So for instance, if you have a financing product in the United States or anywhere, you can just put it into this application, which is the Connect application. And as you can see, we already have a lot of applications, and it's everything. It's a proper onboarding with the information that you need. And afterwards, you just switch it on and you basically have it in all channels as a business owner. So any bank can, or insurance company can actually integrate via a simple API, and we provide an SDK kit. And also we are used to work with very large institutions, meaning that we know the hard things that the banks like face, like compliance or cybersecurity issues and so on. So we are very much having this as our day-to-day, and also can provide help with this and ensure that their start is within weeks and not years.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Archer. This looks like a great option for banks and insurance companies who want to offer their businesses a full package with commerce tools in addition to their financing tools. Any final remarks?
Nothing. I just hope that interested banks and insurance companies, they come to our online booth, send an email, call me, come by here in Hamburg. As you can see, we are already back in the office, and I'm very much looking forward to the next Finovate.